Hello everyone, today we're going to be going over how to unbox the KUKA KMP 600P. First step in the process is to have somebody help you take the top piece off. The next step is to locate and carefully cut out the straps out of the top plate. And the next step of the process is to get a size 8 Allen key and unscrew the 5 bolts that tie on the top plate to the AMR. Once all 4 screws are taken out, you can take off the top plate. And then you can have access to the plastic cover and the foams, which you can also go ahead and remove. We need to get 4 eye bolts and 2 straps to get into the AMR so we can get a forklift and lift it off the pallet into the ground. And the places to place the eye bolts are marked with these logos right here. Once we have the straps secured, we can call for a forklift driver to come and lift the AMR from the pallet into the ground. All right, once we have a forklift driver, we can go ahead and feed the straps into the forks and then slowly raise it up. With the last step of the process being taking the eye bolts off along with the straps. With that being done, your KMP 600P can be turned on and is ready to use.
Industrial intelligence.